we got the Urus over there, and we got that RS3, 2 more F82s. What's up, bro?
Evo 10?
Yes, me, bro.
These motherfuckers are fast.
Oh, yeah, these things pull. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another POV. We're gonna be taking the Evo X to get gas, and then we're gonna meet up with some other car enthusiasts because we're gonna go for a late night cruise tonight. Late night drive, I would say. Car is warming up right now. We're gonna let her get up to temp, and then we're gonna get a move on. We gotta see. Pump some gas real quick, you guys, and then from there we head on to the actual round meetup spot. Let's pump real quick, and yes, like I said, radar detector in clutch. Some quick E, you guys. Hopefully the ethanol is popping here. All right, you guys, good on fuel. All right, you guys, full tank. We are ready to rock. Just like that. All right, we're gonna see what's up. Oh, we coming to play today. What's up, bro?
Evo 10?
Yes, me, bro. How you doing?
What's done to it?
Pretty much fully built. Motor, upgraded turbo, transmission, full suspension. Yeah.
What you making now? Like close to 5?
Maybe 5. I haven't dynoed it, so we gotta find out.
These motherfuckers are fast.
Oh yeah, these things pull. F82. We got some sleepers. G80. We got another F82. It's just clean, bro. That's just another F82. We got a 5.0. We got the we got the Urus over there. And we got that RS3. 2 more F82s. Some Chargers. Another 5.0. Homies on that drag, but I guess we're rolling out. We're gonna see what's up. Should we bully this scat pack right here? I want to catch up to that Trackhawk for sure. That guy's going crazy. Poor Ramos is hella far behind. He went on this way. What car is that all the way up there?
He's in a Suburban.
Suburban. Nah, he's gonna let I see him. G80. Who knows, rear wheel or X-Drive, but 2025 with dealer plates on. Trackhawk's right there. Lights on?
Yeah.
I got a C7 on my behind, I think. Everyone's slowing down. Are we getting off here? Holy shit. They got someone, I think.
I don't know if you want to pull over.
Yeah, definitely not gonna. They got, what car is that? Beamer? Which one? Oh, the blue one. Damn. Well, damn, M4 down right now. guys, pull up to the first spot, or first location, I would say. Right on, bro. Well, we made it to the first pit stop. Evo X made it. We got an EVO 5.0. We got some Beamers, Lexus, Subi 5.0. Another F82, F82. God damn. Marrow, F82, wide body. Just clean with the carbon ceramics and the GoPro pole, but he doesn't have it on right now. Another F82. And then the Yasmer F82 back there. I guess we're just waiting up for the rest of the guys to pull up, and then we'll go from there. I need to get a run in though, because that's what I came for. So we're gonna see what's up. All right, so we are on the move. We got an F82 in front of us, a couple other whips up ahead. I do need to run in at least one, and maybe with this one on TEs. hard like that. That's crazy. Fire. Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, this guy. All right, you guys, well, closing out the video sooner than later. I felt something weird on the car after over boosting on that third gear pull that I missed shifted and missed that gear. Shout out to the F82 owner though. He gave me a couple good runs, but we found our culprit. Basically my intercooler piping came off, so I gotta fix that and then drive home. Calling it quits early tonight, but shout out to the people hosting the cruise. Shout out to the F82s that ran me, and shout out to everyone that was there. Hope you all enjoy the content. We're gonna be back up and running sooner than later. Closing out the video earlier and sooner than expected because of that. But other than that, y'all stay posted for more POV drives and videos. Without further ado though, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic. Until the next one, peace.